Hello and welcome to Tech24. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Luxury Beauty Incorporated Retinol Cream. This powerful skincare product is packed with incredible anti-aging ingredients that will transform your skin. With 3% active retinol, this cream is designed to reduce fine lines and wrinkles while firming and brightening your skin. Enhanced with hydrating hyaluronic acid, moisturizing vitamin E, green tea, and other anti-aging ingredients, this cream works to nourish and even out your skin tone. What's more, the collagen and vitamin C in this cream help to lighten dark spots and smooth out uneven texture, giving you a brighter complexion. The combination of retinol and vitamins work to repair damaged skin and fade the appearance of fine lines, giving you a more youthful look. This unique formula restores hydration to the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing with renewed health. If you're ready to take your skincare routine to the next level, click the link in the description to purchase the Luxury Beauty Incorporated Retinol Cream. Trust us, your skin will thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more exciting tech and beauty reviews.